What's up everybody, this is Chris and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching this video if it's the first one that you've checked out on my channel. I've got a lot of different videos here about English learning and British English pronunciation. So please do check out all of the videos on my channel if you haven't already. And in this video, today's video, I want to talk a little bit about the difference between the words make and do in English, because these are actually the same word in a lot of languages, but in English they have different usages. So I want to go over this in a bit more detail, and I really hope it will help everybody to understand English usage better. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about the word make. When do we use the word make? Well, normally we use it when you're talking about creating something that doesn't exist or comes from nothing. Or this could be something physical, like making a piece of furniture, or it could be something more abstract that you can't actually see, like making an effort or making friends. So here we've got make a chair. So here you're making an actual physical chair, a piece of furniture. Make an effort. You can't necessarily see the effort, but it's something that you are producing. Make friends is also used with make. For example, it's good to make friends with people who speak other languages. Make friends. So as usual, you can see the pronunciation guide for all of these sentences and words at the bottom of the screen. And then slowly you will learn how to pronounce these in more of a native way. So make also has the idea of production, producing something. So for example, a sound, make music, make a sound. If somebody is saying something, they're making a sound or making a noise. When we arrive, everyone will be asleep, so don't make a noise. This means don't make any sound, don't utter any words at all, because everybody is going to be asleep. Otherwise, you might wake them up. So this is make a noise. Make is also used with money. So we talk about make money, making a lot of money, making a profit. This is make profit, make a profit. Make a living means you have enough money to live. You have enough money to get by in your life. This is make a living. All of these three phrases are related to money. It's important that you earn enough money to make a living. Make a living. So now let's talk a little bit about do. So what is the difference between make and do? Well, the key difference, if there is a rule, is that do is more often talking about an action that you take or work that you do. For example, we can say do a job, do business with people, or just do some work. I need to do some work now. Can you leave me alone? I can't come tonight as I've got some work to do. The children in school also talk about homework, doing your homework. Sometimes it's something that you can't really see or something that's not specific. For example, do something, do everything, do nothing, or do anything. In these situations, we wouldn't use make. My partner doesn't do anything around the house. My partner doesn't do anything around the house. We also often use do to talk about housework or household chores, things that you need to do around the house, like cleaning up or doing the ironing. We'd say do the ironing. This is ironing the clothes. Do the cleaning. Do the cooking. So we could also say cook dinner. This is doing the cooking. I do all the cooking and my partner does all the cleaning. So again, this verb does is part of the verb to do here. So it's the same thing. So we could also use it with do the washing and do the washing up. These two phrases are often confused. So what's the difference between do the washing and do the washing up? Well, do the washing means washing the clothes, doing the laundry. Sometimes we use this word laundry, but do the washing up means doing the dishes, cleaning the plates, the bowls, the glasses, the knives and forks, and so on. This is washing up. These two words join together like that. Washing up, washing up. We also use do when we're talking about shopping, buying things at a shop. And do the driving. Do the driving means the work of driving. You'll notice that this is related to the meaning of an action, doing something physical. It could be a regular journey that you do, or maybe a long drive that you have to do. Do the shopping and do the driving. I don't mind doing the driving if you pay for petrol. I don't mind, or we could reduce the T here. We could say don't mind. I don't mind doing the driving if you pay for petrol. However, there is one exception to the general principle of using do with household chores. Make the bed or make your bed. In this situation, we would use make. Make your bed. This means preparing the sheets, tidying up the bed after you wake up, putting it back in a neat way. I never make my bed in the morning. So don't say do the bed. That would be very strange. Make is also used a lot for making food, making a meal, or a drink. For example, make a sandwich. We wouldn't say do a sandwich. It's talking about preparing something, maybe putting things together. Make a cup of tea. In England, a lot of people like to drink tea, so we say make a cup of tea. Or make breakfast, make lunch, make dinner, and so on. I'm making breakfast. What would you like? Or you could say lunch, and so on. Make is also used when we're talking about a choice or a decision. Make a choice or make a decision. Make decisions. If you're deciding about something, you could say, make up your mind. This means come to a decision. Decide what you want to do. Make up your mind. I've made up my mind. I'm going to take that English course. So this means I've decided what I'm going to do. I've made up my mind. So these two words could also join together. Made up. Dup. So it'd be like, made up. I've made up my mind. I'm going to take that English course. You can also use make when you're talking about plans and arrangements, things that you're planning to do, organizing things. For example, make plans. Make a booking. If you're booking some tickets, maybe a flight, a train journey, or something like that. Make an appointment. We could also reduce the T in the middle of this word. We could say, make an appointment. Appointment. An appointment means schedule a meeting with somebody, arrange a time to meet that person. Make an appointment. Hello, can I make an appointment for tomorrow? So this is something that you might want to say on the phone. So you'll find that there are a lot of phrases in everyday English usage which use do or make, and they have a noun with them. So these kind of phrases you just have to get used to, you have to practice them, and if you see them a lot, you'll be able to use them yourself. And there are other phrases using makes. For example, make war or even make love to somebody is used with make. Let's go back to do now. If you're talking about somebody else doing the work for you, doing something for you, like when you go to the hairdressers or to the beauty salon, you might use do. For example, do your makeup or get your hair done. Get your hair done. But this means that somebody else is doing it. So in this situation, we couldn't use make. I'm going to the salon to get my hair done. I'm going to the salon to get my hair done. Or salon. You can stress the first part of the word if you're in British English. Make can also be used for bad moments or bad situations. For example, make a mistake. We don't say do a mistake. We say make a mistake. Or make a mess. Be careful, the dog has made a mess in the garden. This is a polite way of saying the dog has done a poo, the dog has gone to the toilet in the garden. Make a mess. Or you could have a child or a baby that's made a mess on the floor, or maybe made a mess of the room. But when you're talking about damage, this word, we use do. Do damage. The floods have done a lot of damage to the roads. So damage, we say do damage. Do can also be used with positive and negative words to talk about whether you've done something well or badly. Do well, do badly, or do your best. Do your best. It doesn't matter if you win, as long as you do your best. Just a few more now. If you're talking about creating a feeling or emotion in somebody else, then we often use make. For example, make somebody happy. Make somebody sad. Make something better. Make it better. Or make you cry. If the film was so sad and it made you cry, we would say make, because this is producing a feeling or an emotion. The film is so sad, it always makes me cry at the end. That's because it's sad, it has this effect on you. It makes you cry. And it's also used to talk about your thoughts or your ideas, your opinions. For example, make a suggestion or make a point. I thought you made some good points in the meeting. I thought you made some good points. So here we say make a point. So lastly, do is also used for some sports, especially sports that you would do on your own, maybe without a team, and you're not using a ball. So often with sports, we use play football, play tennis, and so on. But if you're doing it on your own, we might say do. For example, do yoga. You don't have a team, you don't have a ball, you don't have a racket. It's just something you're practicing on your own. Do yoga. Do athletics. Or do some exercise. When we're talking about exercise, we always use do. So for example, it's time for you to do some exercise. You should do some exercise. And this is also used with do. I need to do some more exercise if I'm going to get fit. Okay, so in this video, we've talked about a lot of different uses relating to make and do. So I hope this helps you to improve your English speaking and avoid some of the common mistakes that people often make related to these words. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll help you out. I can help you to answer specific questions. And if you're interested in learning more about pronunciation, I have so many more videos about that on my channel and on my website as well. So do check them out. And thanks for watching again. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Take care, everybody.